Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Pocket Chess app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Pocket Chess is a simple and engaging chess app designed for players of all skill levels who want to practice and play on the go. Unlike competitive, feature-heavy chess platforms, Pocket Chess focuses on accessibility and puzzle-based learning. The app offers daily chess puzzles, checkmate challenges, step-by-step problem-solving, and short tactical scenarios that help users improve pattern recognition and strategic thinking. It's available on both iOS and Android. The app's main feature is its puzzle system. You're given a specific board layout and must find the correct sequence of moves to solve the challenge. Puzzle difficulty increases gradually, making the app suitable for both beginners and intermediate players looking to sharpen their tactical skills without committing to long online matches. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Pocket Chess for its clean design, satisfying puzzle progression, and ad-light experience. The puzzles are well curated, and the app is particularly loved by people who prefer short, brain-boosting sessions instead of full games. It's also a great tool for building confidence before playing real opponents. However, there are some drawbacks. The app does not include full online multiplayer or in-depth analysis tools, which may disappoint advanced players. Some puzzle packs or hints may require in-app purchases, and the absence of game versus AI modes limits broader practice for some users. In summary, the Pocket Chess app may be worth using if you enjoy tactical puzzles, want to improve your chess thinking, or prefer quick, bite-sized challenges rather than long matches. However, if you're looking for a full online chess experience with multiplayer, engine analysis, and competitive rankings, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.